in, sir. I know our spirits and energy is high. Pagbibitin ko po muna kayo. Dahil at this point in time, we'd like to request the presence of Mr. Danilo Bernida for our opening prayer. May I please request everyone to please stand up for our opening prayer.
For Catholics, may I request to make a sign of the cross, and for non-Catholics, we may just bow our heads. Heavenly Father, we gather to celebrate your gift of love and its presence among us. We rejoice that these two people